Okay, now I'm going to be demonstrating pull up on the right and reverse back. For that exercise, I'm going to be using MSPSL routine. Also, we're going to be using observation control accuracy. So let's move on and get the exercise done. So I'm just going to be able to pull up on the right. First, let me check my mirrors. I don't need signal, nobody's there. Turn my wheel, position myself, get the car straight. We'll straight, we'll stop, handbrake, neutral, and if there's any signal, you can cancel it. Now, this instant I haven't used the signal, so I don't need to cancel it. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put my clutch down, reverse gear. I'm going to set the gas to roughly about 1.5, clutch to the bite. I'm going to be looking ahead, looking in the mirrors, nothing front, nothing behind. Now I'm going to do 6-pointer opposite side. So over my right shoulder, right mirrors, front, center mirror, left shoulder, left mirrors, left shoulder. Now I'm going to release my handbrake. I'm going to do my clutch control nice and slow, yeah? So I'm going to bring my clutch up and down nice and slow. We need to go nice and slow. Looking over the shoulder. Nothing come in. Keep looking, keep looking, keep looking. Okay, roughly I've got about 2 car length. I'm going to stop here. Push down handbrake. Neutral. First gear. Setting gas. Finding a biting point. Now looking over your shoulder, right mirror, front, center mirror, left mirror, left shoulder. You can't use the signal, but nobody's there, so I'm not going to use the signal. If there's something someone's going to benefit from it, you'll have to use it, but this instant I don't need it. So I'm just going to release my handbrake, set a bit of gas, bring the clutch up, turn my wheel, get back to my normal driving position, and get the car straight. Check my center mirror, right mirror, and pick up the speed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you.